What if you could make a living with AI in just 30 days? Did you know recently Microsoft laid off over 9,000 people? If you were affected or know someone who was, my heart goes out to you. But here's the truth that no one says out loud. A job loss doesn't just impact one person. It affects families, it affects confidence, it affects mental health, it affects your ability to make decisions. So let's talk about what you can do starting today. What if I told you that you could learn the most in-demand AI skill right now and start making money from it in just 30 days? You don't need to code, you don't need a boot camp, you just need to learn how to communicate with AI. It's called prompt engineering. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn that skill into a paycheck. But first, let's talk about the reality of AI and jobs. The job market is changing, and it's fast. But AI didn't take these jobs. Poor planning did. So here's the shift. You can fear AI or use it to build your future. But the best way to do that is with a skill that helps you control AI. I'm talking about prompt engineering. It is the ability to communicate with AI tools like ChatGPT and get consistent, practical, and creative results. Big companies such as Microsoft are hiring for it. Right now on LinkedIn, you will find jobs such as AI and machine learning engineer for up to $250,000 a year, or cloud and AI solutions engineer for up to $272,000 a year. Even startups on Upwork are seeking individuals who can craft clear, structured prompts. However, you don't have to become an engineer to get started. You have to think like one. So let me show you exactly how it's done. So here's your 30-day prompt income plan. Week number 1, learn the basics. If you haven't, I recommend you watch our complete prompt engineering skill video linked below. Then, start using free tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Then, start writing 3 prompts per day. For example, summarize this resume in 3 bullet points for data analyst role. And finally, get curious, test everything. Save what works. You're not just learning prompts, you're learning how to think in systems. Week number 2, fix your resume and discover your value. Go to WorkReady.ai, upload your resume, get your free fit score, follow the feedback, and improve instantly. Then use Skill Map to find your strengths, market value, and missing potential. This is where your clarity comes from. You'll stop guessing and start targeting jobs that align with your actual value. And while you're doing this, you're learning prompt engineering in action. Because our system doesn't just give you outputs, it prompts you to think like a strategist. Week number 3, apply prompts to your niche. If you're a teacher, prompt AI to design lesson plans. If you're a marketer, prompt AI to write an ad copy. If you're a nurse, prompt it to document case notes or patient instructions. You see, prompting isn't just for tech, it's for every career, every niche, and every workflow. This is where you start solving real problems in your own world. Week number 4, launch your plan. Use WorkReady's tailored resume builder and apply to AI-friendly remote jobs. Start freelancing gigs in your field. Offer prompt-powered solutions on Fiverr or Upwork, such as automation, content creation, and strategy guides. Now, some people may opt for a full-time freelancing career, while others will use this to land a job that doubles their pay. Either way, you're not just surviving layoffs, you're thriving. You're making yourself layoff-proof. You see, you don't need a degree. You don't need to know Python. You just need to ask better questions, solve problems in your field, communicate ideas with clarity. That's what prompt engineers do. And this is what WorkReady teaches you while helping you build the strongest resume of your life. It's not about hype. It's about skills you can use tomorrow. The truth is, job security doesn't come from your employer. It comes from your ability to stay relevant. And prompt engineering is your key to that. In 30 days, you can learn the basics, update your resume, discover your niche, start earning even before you land your next role. So don't wait for the next round of layoffs. Start building now. Visit WorkReady.ai, check your resume score, discover your market value, and start learning prompt engineering while building your future. You don't need a miracle. You just need a plan. And this is it.